Good morning. Good morning, Philippines. Thank you for another day, Lord. Thank you. Thank you so much, Lord, for the rain. Malamig na naman ang panahon. It's raining. Good morning, Philippines. This is my morning view in front of the National Road of Santa Mesa. People here are busy every day. They don't sleep. Hi, good morning. I miss my hometown, but soon we will go home now because it's school vacation. Hi, thank you, Lord. Thank you so much for this wonderful view. Though it's not really